Hello and welcome to this tutorial on Nexis Uni. This tutorial will cover how to access Nexis Uni, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. To get started, visit the Parish Library homepage at lib.purdue.edu/libraries/mgmt for management. When you get to the Parish Library homepage, access the list of business databases. Nexis Uni is on this list. Nexis Uni features more than 15,000 news, business, and legal sources from LexisNexis with an interface that offers discovery across all content types, personalization features such as alerts and saved searches, and a collaborative workspace with shared folders and annotated documents. Please note that registration is not necessary for use, but is required for alerts and saved searches. This is the homepage for Nexis Uni. The main search box located near the top of the page can help you create a general search across all content types. Below the main search, you'll find a simple search option called a guided search, where you can create a search targeting particular types of content, such as news, legal cases, or publications. For more advanced searching options, click on the Advanced Search button. For the purpose of this tutorial, we'll do a general search using the search box near the top of the page. Here we have the option to search all of Nexis Uni or narrow our search by content, jurisdiction, news type, and practice area or topic. Let's narrow our search to only include content from Indiana and Michigan, and to just focus on news, cases, and company financial content. Next, let's type Amazon in the search bar. Here are our results. On the left, we have the option to limit our search results by content type or narrow further by type, timeline, publication type, industry, and more. We can also sort the results by relevance, title, and date using the drop-down menu in the upper right corner of the page. Once you've selected a result, you'll find information about the source at the top, the body of the resource, followed by classification information. Keywords from your initial search will be highlighted in yellow throughout the document. You can print, email, download, or send the document to your Google Drive using the buttons at the top of the page. You can also search the document for keywords and phrases. If you want to know more about using Nexis Uni, click on the Help button in the upper right corner of the page to access help guides on searching, content, and more. Now you know how to access Nexis Uni, what kind of information is available, and how to do a search. If you have any questions, please contact us at parlib@purdue.edu. Thank you.